Hello children, welcome to a new lecture for social studies for class 5th. Today is 17th of August. The chapter 5 we are going to start the PA2 syllabus. Chapter name of the chapter is The Moon, and the topic from the highlight. So as you know, in the textbook you can see there are 3 highlights that we are going to discuss in the chapter. In that, the first topic we are going to discuss, and there are certain phases of moon, so of which we are going to discuss the 4 kind of phases today. That is the new moon day, crescent moon, half moon and gibbous moon day. So this is what we are going to discuss today. So let's get started without wasting the time. So students, as you can see, this is the chapter for your chapter number 5, the moon. So as you can see, so we are going to discuss about the Earth's only natural satellite. Moon is known as the Earth's only natural satellite. Okay, and as children, you can see the moon at the night time, so you can see it in different shapes. Okay, they are visible in different shapes. So what is the reason behind that? Why you can see the moon in different shapes? What is the reason? So it appears to change the shape at every night. On every night when we see, there are different shapes of the moon that is visible, and moon is a distant celestial body, okay, that influences the tides in the seas and oceans on the Earth's surface. So as the moon also has the gravitational force, and the Earth also has the gravitational force. So due to the gravitational force of the moon, it influences the tides in the seas and oceans. So as you can see, the big waves, high tide, low tide in seas and oceans, it occurs. How it occurs? Only because the gravitational force of the moon, it pulls them. That's why it happens. So the moon is a distant celestial body that influences the tides in the seas and oceans on the Earth's surface. So what is the meaning of, as you can see, the distant? Meaning of distance means it is found in a distance from the surface of the Earth. It is far away. It is a distant celestial body, okay, that influences the tides, and as I have already said, it influences the tides in the seas and oceans. Now what is the meaning of celestial body or celestial? Means as moon is related to sky or the outer space, as you can see, or it is a spacious it is available on the space. Okay, moon you can see on the space. When you go into space you can find there. This is why it is known as celestial body. The moon is a distant celestial body that influences the tides in the seas and oceans on the Earth's surface due to its gravitational force. So this is what the introduction was, the short introduction to the chapter. Now let's move on this is the jump start, in which it has fill-ups and true or false. This we will discuss later. Now let's get started with the first highlight or first topic of this chapter, that is Earth's natural satellite. So in that we are going to see 4 kind of phases of the moon. Okay, that is, as in the beginning of this video I have already said, we are going to discuss 4 phases, that is new moon day, crescent moon, third is half moon, and then the gibbous moon. This is what we are going to discuss today, and a few points about moon, an introduction to the moon. Okay, so moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. What is moon? It is a natural satellite of the Earth, and it is almost how many kilometers away from the Earth? It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from the Earth. So the moon does not emit its own light. As we can see, moon does not have its own light. Then how is moon visible? Children, have you ever noticed it? What is the reason how the moon is visible from the Earth? The next line says it. See what is written. It reflects the light of the sun. So only because of the light of the sun the moon is visible from the Earth. Moon does not have its own light. When it comes to a darker place, moon is not at all visible. If something lights on it, or if something reflects its light on moon, then only it is visible. That is the reason. So in the space, as you can see, sun is the biggest star. It is the head of all satellites. It is the head of the solar system. So as the sun, it reflects the light on the surface of the moon, from which the moon is visible. So the revolution of moon, so as moon revolves around the Earth, so in that time what happens? According to the revolution of the moon, means according to its, as it revolves around the surface of the around the Earth, not the surface of the Earth, as it moves on round of the Earth. Okay, when the moon revolves around the sun, around the Earth, what happens is the lighting of that sun on the surface of moon also changes. It is known as what? Phases of moon. As we can see, why moon is, sometimes it is not at all visible, sometimes it is visible on like C-shaped structure, sometimes it is visible like this, as you can see, a half portion of the moon, sometimes you can see the 3/4 of the portion, sometimes you can see the full moon of, or full shape of the moon. It only happens because of, as it revolves around the surface of the Earth, the lighting of the sun also changes on the surface of moon. That is the reason. So those changes on the surface, the changes of that lighting on the surface of moon, it is known as phases of moon. As you can see, the visibly changes, these visibly changing shapes of moon. As you can see, the moon shape is changed okay, as we can see, every 3 days, 3 to 4 days, it changes the shape of the moon. Why? only because of the revolving of moon around the earth. So as the changes, these changing shapes of moon are called what? Phases of the moon. Okay, so let's understand it in detail. So today we are going to see about the 4 phases of moon. Which are they? First is the new moon day. Okay, first is new moon day. So on this day, moon is not at all visible. As you can see in the figure, it is not at all visible from the earth. Why? Because the illuminated portion of the moon faces away from the earth, means the reflection of the sun or light of the sun is not at all, there is no reflection of the light of sun. The illumination, the illuminated portion of moon from the earth, we cannot see. It is totally removed, means we cannot see that, and only the dark half face of the earth. Okay, this phase of moon is called new moon, means the illumination of the light of the sun is not available, is not visible on the new moon day. At that time, moon is not at all visible, it is completely dark. This is what known as new moon day, that is on day 1. And after 3 to 4 days, that moon is appeared to be in the C shape. Okay, sometimes it is appeared in C shape, the means not the C, the opposite version of C, the opposite side of C. In this way, as you can see in the figure, sometimes moon is appeared in this shape. What is the reason? And that shape is known as, that phase of moon is known as crescent moon. What is it is known? It is known as crescent moon. This phase occurs approximately on the 4th day of the moon cycle. So this changing of the surface of moon is known as what? Moon cycle. Okay, so this crescent moon is occurred on the 4th day, and during this phase what happens? The quarter of the moon's illuminated surface is visible. This is the quarter part, means as it is, you can see it looks like the C shape, the other side of the C shape, the right side. Okay, so it is known as quarter of the moon's surface. Okay, that is visible from the earth. This phase of moon is known as crescent moon. Okay, now what is the third kind of the phase of moon? It is known as the half moon, and it appears on which day? It appears on the 7th day of the moon cycle. This is this kind of shape. The half of the moon is appeared, we can see from the earth. This appears on the 7th day of the moon cycle. Okay, and during this phase, half of the moon's surface is illuminated, as you can see on the figure. Okay, this is the, when the moon appears to be half in shape, it means that it is half moon day, or it is the 7th day of its rotation cycle. Then the last phase that we are going to discuss today, that is gibbous moon day. What is that? This phase occurs about the 3/4, exactly the 3/4 of, means more than half of the shape of moon. It is appeared in this shape, as you can see in the figure. It is more than half of the shape of moon. So when it is visible on the, it is visible on the 10th day of the moon cycle, and that 10th day of the moon cycle is known as which day? Gibbous moon day. Okay, and it is visible from the earth, the 3/4 part of the moon. So during this phase, the visible part of the moon is called which moon? Which phase? Gibbous moon. This is known as gibbous moon. So this is what we have discussed today. We have discussed what is moon. Okay, it is a natural satellite of the earth, how many kilometers it is away, and what are the characteristics of moon, how it appears in different days, what is moon cycle, and we have discussed certain phases of moon. That is, we have discussed today 4 phases, that is new moon, crescent moon, half moon, as well as gibbous moon. So this topics we have to read for after today's lecture. You have to read the portion, that is page number 57, 58 and 59 up to this gibbous moon day. You have to read the entire portion. Okay, so tomorrow we'll discuss the full moon, the rest of the phase. Okay, until then, meet you in the next lecture. Okay, so read the portion properly, work hard, take care and bye.